Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and we are Designaholics. On this channel, we teach DIYs, how to achieve high-end looks on a budget, and how to make the most money when you sell through staging. On today's episode, we are still on season 1, episode 2, and we are doing the main living area of this house. You are going to be shocked and amazed at this transformation, so stay with us. We're getting started, and I think we're excited about this challenge, huh?
Yes. I'm not so much.
Why?
Because of where this fireplace is.
It's just weird, y'all. And so, I don't even get why these builders do what they do. Should they consult us before they build?
They should.
Mm-hmm. House plan designers and builders, consult the Designaholics so we can help you out.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So instead, we have to help ourselves because we have to get top dollar for this house. This is weird. The homeowner has never known what to do with it. It's been a source of frustration the whole time. So what we're gonna do is just move things around and figure out what is the best use of furniture to highlight this entire wall. What we cannot do is really make this a focal point because of where it is. So it's off balance. And so we're gonna make this a focal point, and that's how we're gonna solve the challenge. I think we have some ideas though, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. We're gonna get started right now. So let's move the sofa. Now in this case, we're working with the homeowner's furniture. Sometimes that makes things a little more challenging for us only because we have to find our stock to match what they have. So this is what we're starting with. This is theirs, that is theirs, obviously the TV, and then we've got a clock on the wall. We're leaving those things and we're gonna design around it. That's nice.
You like this one?
I like that one a lot. We're using a more transitional style here. The homeowner had traditional pieces. We've got some contemporary artwork that we felt like brought in the wall color, but also some drama. We need drama in the sea of vanilla. So we chose something really dramatic. I love that. We need something also up here. We could have used wall sconces, but instead we decided to use really tall vases. Greenery is the best way to add warmth. I mean, a room just is not the same without the warmth of plants. Oh, this is looking glamorous. These are 108 inch. I would have typically gone 120 on something this tall, but the breakfast room window is on the same wall, and I want them to be the same height across. So I went with the 108s. Plus, we already had them, and they were the right color, which is fantastic. Now let me show you, when you get a set, when you get curtains from Tuesday morning, they're probably gonna come in a set of 2. Mine always do. What you wanna do is accordion fold. You wanna start with this going back first, not like this, and yes, I've seen this done. So back, and then you're just gonna make an accordion fold. Back and forth, like this, and put them right on the rod like that. Now again, what Natalia is doing is she has given us about a foot on each side, and then we're gonna take a panel, and in between the windows to cover this and soften it, we're gonna add a panel in between, and just go a little bit past the edges. We don't wanna obscure the view any, so we want as much window as possible. And then we are heading into the breakfast area, and we're gonna hang those same curtains over here so that when you see this entire wall, it's gonna be cohesive and it's gonna look beautiful. This breakfast area is so nondescript. I mean, my goodness, it really needs some help. There's no character going on here. The only thing you can see is that it's neutral and provides a lot of space, but people wanna know what to do with the space. I'm telling you, it is so important when you're selling a house for top dollar. Got here, the homeowner had a round breakfast table here, which it only provided seating for 4 and it felt rather small for a house this scale and size. So what we decided to do was we took her table out, brought our table in, used her black chairs, and then you'll see what we did to get 2 more chairs for the ends. And here it is. How beautiful is this? So the gray fabric and the nail heads just bring in all this warmth, that warmth. The gray goes with the rug, pulls the gray out of the table. So do we have something for this table?
I'm sure we can find something.
Now are we done?
Yeah. We're done.
Yay! This is the final room of episode 2, and all we're gonna do is add in some decor here. This kitchen, I'm so excited because we were planning on
Painting the cabinets.
that wouldn't have been good. Oh my God, did we paint some stuff in this house?
We did a lot.
You're gonna have a lot of amazing videos to watch. All right, tons of furniture and stuff. We did not want to get into this, and we were going to, and then what we realized is this house is so warm and cozy. We decided after we got rid of the Ubatuba granite, which was 2 centimeter, and it was really dark, we chose a granite that incorporated the warms, but where you could also add in cooler tones. We also incorporated a beautiful glass subway tile backsplash. What do y'all think?
Yes, beautiful.
Is this like totally different?
It is.
All right, so Natalia's gonna start on this side. We're gonna dress the tops of the cabinets. Lucky for us, they have tall ceilings. We've got 42-inch upper cabinets. We've got this beautiful piece that's a little bit higher here. We're gonna dress all of this out, and Rondi's gonna work on this side, and I'm going to take care of the countertops. Hope you enjoyed episode 2 of season 1. We love this house. We have some adorable little kid rooms coming up. They don't want to miss those rooms, right?
No.
Please don't miss the little kid rooms. Anyway, we've got ideas in mind with what fur, roses, fluffy little animals, fluffy blankets. So cute. Pink and purple maybe.
Yes.
Maybe pink and purple, 2 different things.
Oh,
what do you think? Please stay tuned for that. Subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. It's going to be so fantastic. I'm Carrie Lawless, and we are Designaholics.